Said you want a romance. Well, I gave you a lot. Said you wanted mountains.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is from RosaBeauty. I ordered a 13x4 straight wig in 180% density, but that is not what I received. Yet and still, I will show you guys how I installed it. So I'm going to start off with everything that I used. I needed gloves, 40 volume developer, BW2 powder to bleach it, and I used Adore Rich Eggplant to dye the hair, and also brown wig caps. So this is a bleach bath that I did on the wig. It actually didn't lighten to the color that I wanted it to. It only lightened so much, so I'm just showing you guys what it looked like. I left it in there for about 45 minutes, and I used about a full thing of the BW2 powder and a full bottle of 40 volume developer, but I think I had too much water, which is why the color didn't lift all the way. So I'm going to keep practicing this method so that I can do a more detailed video on that. After I finished bleaching the wig, I moved on to the watercolor method. So I'm going to use boiling hot water and pour in a full bottle and a half to dye the wig. So after I stir in the dye, I'm going to just take the wig and dunk it in. You'll notice that my wig came out kind of like ombre. I feel like that's partly because it didn't bleach evenly, and partly because I started with the ends of the wig instead of dunking the whole thing in at once. However you put the wig into the bucket is how the hair is going to pick up the color. So you want to be really mindful of that when you're putting in there, because every time that you dunk the wig in and pull it back out, it picks up more color. So when I'm done with that, I'm just going to plop the wig on my head and start blow drying. And then from there, I'll begin installing the wig. So I'll let you watch me do that. Once I finished blow drying, I went ahead and started straightening the hair off camera, just to kind of speed this video up for you guys. Like I said, it is straight hair, so I will have all the information about this wig in the description box. However, I don't recommend this company simply because I didn't receive what I ordered. Like I said, I was supposed to get a 13x4 in 180% density, and it was 22 inches. This is much shorter than 22 inches. It's very thin, and there is not enough parting space, which is why I ended up kind of with the style that I have now. But I still wanted to show you guys how I achieved this look. So I'm just going to keep flat ironing and hot combing to make sure my hair is flat. And now that I'm finished with that, I'm going to move on to the next steps. So now that I'm finished with my install, I'm gonna do my makeup off camera and come back. So now that I'm back, I'm gonna just do some finishing touches and kind of make it look a little neater. And like I said, guys, this wig was supposed to be 22 inches. I did not cut the ends of this wig at all, and I'm only 5'6", so it should be much longer than this. It barely comes below my boobs. So I was very dissatisfied with this company. However, I did want to show you guys just how I got this look. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and leave any suggestions for any videos you'd like to see on my channel. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.